Hey you guys, it's me, Kinley, and today I'm making smoothies. So what you'll need for this is blueberries. I'm using frozen ones and some frozen bananas. You can use either one you want. You're going to need milk. All the measurements are going to be in the description. You're also going to need some yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt. So I'm going to and now go in there. And then make sure to use adult supervision when you're blending it, because you could hurt yourself because there's a big giant blade. We're using a Ninja blender, but you can use any blender really. And I'm gonna blend it now. Oh, the top. Okay. I need to do that. I finished blending it, and now I'm going to go do the other stuff. Alright, so now you can pour it, but I'm using the scooper to scoop it. Actually, pouring it works too. Whoa. Oh no. Is it okay? It's okay. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to pour it into my bottle. And it might get a little messy. And now you can top it with a little umbrella because I'm so fancy. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.